Senator Matang?
And then there was a question, Chairman. I'm being bombarded with questions, but
no, just take note.
We want responses.
Take note. The challenge I am seeing.
Uyu ni gurugari uria uma ku thiini wa gikaro gatagati ga kamiti ya Senate ye mathabu ma muingi na gavana wa kaunti ya Kirinyaga Waiguru akendwa tariri gitumi ga gukorwo na utiganu wa makiria ma ciringi bilioni 2 riboti-ini ya mahuthiro ma kaunti yo na riboti ya mutambo wa IFMIS.
By your own submission, you indicated that IFMIS is a robust system that is capable of supporting the needs and operations of counties. 1 year down the line, after you have been governor for Kirinyaga, we are getting variances between your financial statements and IFMIS.
The IFMIS system is a robust system, and it's a system that is of international standards. And I have a problem when the system is usually blamed for things that are actually man-made.
Muhiano miango yorehi wa aruti a wira ni undu wa itumi itiganite kuri na utiganu wa makiria ma ciringi milioni 232 gatagati ka riboti ya mahuthiro Kirinyaga na mutambo wa IFMIS uguri-ini wa indo itiganite utiganu wa makiria ma ciringi milioni 64 miango ya kugaya kigina kuri honge ingi kaunti-ini yo makiria ma ciringi milioni 829.
If you have a variance of 232 million for compensation of employees, where are these employees? Are they in your IPPD system? Are these cashews?
Waiguru agitetera na kuga gutire hindi angiorotereria njara mutambo wa IFMIS ni ukoretwo kihuthika gutuma mbeca kuma thirikari nene nginyagia thirikari-ini cia counties ni undu wa mahitia maya, na haha oneka gikuithia murigo wa Official Auditor General undu mwe na maofitha thirikari ya county yo ukuma senators makiendekithio thuthuria wa naihenya utafanio.
They are the ones who are with the fiduciary responsibility to ensure that they enter every entry into the system. And therefore, when they don't, then they are the ones who are held responsible for that.
IFMIS does not work in Kirinyaga. It does not matter what reasons the governor will give. Be they people, be they training, be it connectivity, be it modules, the bottom line is that it is not working.
Ihinda-ini riu gavana uyu ndanethema kiuria kiigi imwe cia tabarira cia thirikari nene gukorwo ikigairwo kigina kuma budget-ini ya kaunti no akiuga ndari na nganja kuri na mundu ukoretwo ukiruta wira rungu rwa metha ari na muoroto wa kuhaka ndoro kaunti itiganite.
You had attached an appendix that said that primary education you spent 180 million, state house affairs you spent 344 million plus another 64 million, and on economic policy and national planning 314 million, and on government clearing services 851 million.
The Auditor General has confirmed these are not the actual expenditures of any county. I think Treasury needs to explain who designed that particular report, because it was designed in Treasury. Somebody put it there. Whether it was malicious, intended to be malicious, we don't know.
Riboti no ya muthorimi wa mathabu ma thirikari ningi no ihithuritie ati imwe cia mbeca irigayagirwo kaunti no ikoretwo ikihuthika kurugamira mahuthiro matiganite ma kanjo ya governors no utabarira cio thi wa na mbere 77 kaunti-ini no ni irugamite. Mihang'o ya magavana gwikinyia mbere ya kamiti no ya Senate ikoretwo kihithuria maundu matiganite ma kumakania muria kigina kia muingi gikoretwo gikihuthirwo makaunti-ini. Ngiribotera Kameme TV, rĩtwa rĩakwa nĩ Nũngari wa Kamau.